Hi, this table shows how we can predict that every integer will end up with a cycle 4 to 1 as the Collatz conjecture predicts. The white and red cells repeat every 8 numbers. The multiples of 8 will have their maximum value as their initial value. In this way they will lead to 4 to 1. So on one hand every even number has the color red. On the other hand every odd number has either the color white or purple. Every number with a green cell on the list column will be smaller than its third iteration, so we know they will lead to 4 to 1, because we know the previous numbers lead to 4 to 1. The purple cells show that the fourth iteration is bigger than the chosen number. We have three columns on the leads to list position, which show the list number the fourth iteration will belong. We can see that when the list number is 1, 2, 4, 5, or 6, the third iteration is smaller than the number, so we'll have a 4 to 1 cycle. When the list number is white on the leads to position, this will lead to more iterations until we reach a green number on the leads to list position. We start from 0 to 7, but when we have either 3 or 7, this will lead to further iterations from 0 to 7. This way we can assure that the purple cells always end up on the green cell, and this way we can prove that they reach the 4 to 1 cycle.